Welcome back. Let's talk about indentation in Python. Well, indentation is a very important concept of Python because without proper indenting the Python code, you will end up seeing indentation error and the code will not get compiled, right? In simple terms, indentation refers to adding white spaces before a statement. You can see it here, right? But the question arises, is it even necessary? Well, to understand this, consider a situation where you are reading a book and all of sudden all the page numbers from the book went missing. So you don't know where to continue reading and you will get confused. This situation is similar with Python. Without indentation, Python doesn't know which statement to execute next or which statement belongs to which block. This will lead to indentation error, right? In this example, statement line 1, you can see if condition is there in the line 2 and the statement in the last line belongs to the same block. You can see it here all at one block. All right. Now, if condition will be executed and suppose the if condition becomes false, okay, then the Python will jump to the last statement. If you see here, if if I suppose write here something like a is less than 0, right? Let me just put here. So it directly went into the last statement for execution. That's how it executes. The nested if else belongs to block 2. This one actually, if and else here. This belongs to block 2, which means that if nested if becomes false, suppose if this becomes false, then Python will execute the statement inside the else statement. Let us see how it will work. Let us just put here something which is more than 10, let's say 20, and if we say here it is a is uh, less than 5, let us see what we'll get. We get something that, you know, it fails in the if statement, right? Now it executes the print statement, which is its negative number. All right, this is how it goes on. So statement inside nested if else belongs to block 3. This one, these statements are belonging to a block 3, and only one statement will execute depending on the if else condition. That's how we got its negative number. Well, Python indentation is a way of telling a Python interpreter that the group of statements belongs to a particular block of code. A block is a combination of all these statements, right? Block can be regarded as the group of statements for a special purpose. Python uses indentation to highlight the blocks of code. White space is used for indentation in Python. All statements with the same distance to the right belong to the same code. If a block has to be more deeply nested, it is simply indented further to the right. You can understand it better by looking at this example, right? Well, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.